What's good with y'all boys, man?
I'm a young nigga stacking cheddar, no I don't give a fuck about shit. Tryna fight when shit around me, niggas better watch they.
Listen, this is your first time on my channel. My name is GRIFFOBLEEDEM, you know what I'm saying? I'm a day trader, and if I'm being honest, I just get money, have fun with this shit, and I enjoy teaching y'all niggas. If you're a returning subscriber, you know what type of time we on, you feel me? So, first off, if you're a new person viewing my channel, I'm a funny nigga, like how I just said, whoop de whoop. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, you know what I'm saying? It only take 1 second, and shit, bro, I'm teaching you how to make some money. That's the least you can do for a nigga, right? Make that happen for me. Y'all know if y'all see my face, I make some bread, so. Basically, the pair I killed today was USDCHF. I was in it for like all day. Well, not like, I was in it. Wait, when did I get in that shit? I think I got in it around like 1 o'clock. No, that's cap. I think I got in there around like 11 or 10. And then, so I've got, bro, y'all know if y'all a trader, around like 3 o'clock, 2 o'clock, the markets really be consolidating, bro. Cause that's like, I feel like that's, I don't know my time zones by heart, but I know like how they move at certain times, right? I don't know what time zone it, I don't know what session being played. I don't know if the US session, I don't know. I've never seen it move like damn near NASDAQ on a regular pair at like 250, damn near 3 o'clock. So what I did, oh shit, nigga, it threw me $1,200. I know that's a slight bag from the shit that I usually do, but I feel like I'll still make a video for y'all. But like, I know that was like just a slight movement, but just seeing how this like just wick like that, like I went from damn near break even to like a couple pips down. I'm like, man, hell no, I'm about to take my bread. I'm about to get out. Especially trading USDCHF, that's the pair I made 10K off of. And if that hoe go the wrong way, bro, yeah. But it's the same thing, so let's start the screen record. 3, 2, 1. Waiting. It just started. Okay, cool. So let's get straight into these markets, bro, because my computer is starting to irritate me. So the pair I killed was CHF. Damn, nigga, I forgot the pair, bro. Like, bro, my brain is all over the place. I think it's USDCHF. I think that's the pair I trade, most definitely. It sounds familiar. If I can find this pair. All right, so, bro, look. So, like I said, bro, it started moving like damn near an NEC at like 3 o'clock. So I'm like, man, I'm not gonna lie, bro. Like, I'm about to take my 1200 and I'm about to get out the trade. Hold on, let me scoot back some a little bit so I can see my full sexy face. You know what I'm saying? That all look good, baby. Like, oh, that was, hey, no homo, no diddy, bro. I can't even say I kissed at the girls because my girl's gonna tweet. Anyways, let's lock back in. So y'all, bro, look at this. Remember how I told y'all it might go like, it looks bullish because it broke that trend? Tomorrow's Friday, right? And you know on Fridays when the markets close, the weekly candles, they close, nigga, right? Pay attention, hear me out. Y'all see this candle right here? Y'all see this candle? For my experienced traders, y'all know what this is. To my upcoming traders, learn right here. This candle right here, you can even, remember how I told y'all to identify, like, to help y'all identify stuff, look to the left of the markets and see what it did? What happened the last time it got to this resistance, guys? Look, this is the whole importance of having support and resistance levels, because guess what? If it hits a resistance or a support level, it's either gonna do two things. It's either gonna break through it. With USDCHF, it might retest it, but 8 times out of 10 it just shoots through a resistance. But for other pairs, it's either gonna do two things. It's either gonna reject the support or resistance level, or it's gonna break through it, come back, retest it a little bit, and then go, right? So we look to the left, look. Not only did it make a reversal candles, right? It made reversal candles to the 50 moving average, which is a strong moving average, and it made resistance, and it made reversal candles to the resistance too, bro. And look, it looked like it's gonna do the same thing. I wish I could, if I would have stayed in this trade longer, I probably would have made like 3,000 or 4,000, but I didn't like how it was moving wacky around like 3 o'clock. The markets was finna close, so I seen 1,200. I'm gonna take that shit. Thank you. So you know what I'm saying? We look on the daily. Look at the daily. Y'all, look. For y'all asking free signals, bro, I don't give them, but I give them low key. Cause I low key analyze the markets after I take my bread out. You know what I'm saying? Y'all, what did I say about tweezer tops? Okay, right. What is that right there? A tweezer top to a resistance on a daily, and the weekly already looked like a reversal candle. Not only did we get a regular tweezer top, bro, we got a bearish engulfing tweezer top. My nigga, if you don't see free money by this point, you might as well go trade, you might as well go to GameStop and try to trade in a game and try to make $50 from that, you know what I'm saying? Let's see if it's scaled down to the 4 hour. Let's see what the 4 hour looking like. 4 hour, it made a tweezer top. Bro, it made a lower high to the trend line on the 4 hour. Bro, this is, I'm telling y'all, man, listen. And I still got my entry too. So I don't know when I got out. Let's go look. Oh yeah, and I don't know if I'm gonna randomly put the screenshot up now or put it like before, but y'all see the screenshot, but I'm just gonna go look for myself. Damn, trade locker, y'all need to get right, bro. I don't know when I got out, but I made $1,200, damn near $1,300. So that's it for this pair. Low key, I might just not trade it for the rest of this week because today is Thursday, tomorrow is Friday, and we just gonna see. I like to trade on like a fresh week to where I can like hold the trade throughout the whole week, because you know tomorrow it might do something crazy. 9 times out of 10 Fridays it does something crazy. So you know, for the people in my comment section, I be seeing y'all. Y'all asking me how to learn. Like basically, I see y'all comments. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start making videos of how to start trading with apps to get and break it down into like a lot of videos, and I might start a course, like a free course on my YouTube channel, and I'm gonna call it the Bleedem course. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, because we be bleeding these markets, you know what I'm saying? And I'm just make like videos of the small stuff I do, but make their own videos. So I give y'all live examples, like stuff how to draw support resistance, stuff how to use Fibonacci, how to get sniper entry. Shout out to my nigga Swaggy C. Shout out to Swaggy C, bro. Shout out to my nigga Swag, bro, on some real shit, bro. Shout out to Swag, bro. Like on some real stuff, bro, because it was a point in time where I'm in y'all shoes and I'm watching a nigga make hella money, and you know what I'm saying? I want to learn how to do this shit. Shout out Swag, bro. I ain't gonna lie, bro. Shout out to my nigga Swag on some real shit. One of the pioneers in this shit, to me. That's the only nigga I watch, to be honest with you. But back on track. I'm gonna make my own little course and just break the little stuff down, bro. Like all the little stuff y'all have, I mean, y'all see on my charts, I'm gonna break it down into its own video. Like even to identify market structure, I'm gonna make that its own video too. So y'all just bear with me. I just started this YouTube stuff, so obviously it's gonna take time. Like I record, edit my videos, make my own thumbnails, do all of this stuff by myself. So obviously it's gonna take some time. That's not no excuse, but you know what I'm saying? You see where I'm coming from. So but yeah, that's how I made that 1,300. Y'all know I don't like long videos when I'm explaining how much money I made. So I gave y'all the sauce, I'm giving y'all live examples. So now y'all just gotta take it into your own hands. Do what you gotta do. Search this stuff up on Google's, go on Baby Pips, go do Quizlets, like learn this stuff, bro. Like I'm gonna teach y'all, but the basic fundamentals, I ain't gonna lie, y'all gotta do that on y'all own, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie, y'all have to take time out y'all day, you know what I'm saying, learn them little stuff, and then y'all come back to my videos like, oh, this is that, oh, this is that, oh, this is that. Cause I'm giving out free game, but I don't want to talk too long. If y'all made it to this end of the video, make sure to hit that subscribe button. I don't have a goal when I want to hit 10K, but I want to hit 10K soon, so it take 1 second for y'all to hit that subscribe button. Hit that like button too. That like button recommends my videos to other traders that's trying to learn just like you. So you know what I'm saying, don't be greedy with the bread. I'm not being greedy with the bread. Like a nigga video so other people can see it and we can just grow our family together. Like I said, I'm trying to get a 100K YouTube plaque on my wall next to all of my certificates. But that's the trade I got in. I love y'all. Thank you for us hitting almost 3.1K subscribers. I just got 10K on my mind, so you know what I'm saying? I feel like I'm talking too much and I can talk too much, so therefore I'm gonna end the video. Love you guys. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see y'all in the next video. You know what I'm saying? Peace. That was cringy.
Top 13, missed all the shots, that boy pigeon-toed. White bitch giving beak, she got a pigeon nose. I be on different shit, cause I got different goals. I can't beef with a nigga that wear women clothes. Shit a damn shame, hoes, y'all should let him fuck. Fuck Valentine's, baby, you just get nut. If she ain't taking that, look, shit, that's tough. I couldn't give her back shots cause her back buff.